Hey you guys, welcome back to your channel. I'm so excited because as you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be my Christmas get ready with me, help decorate with me for Christmas. I have been waiting all year long, seriously, for this day. So, I have a grandbaby. Hey, man. I have 3 grandkids here today. This is the littlest one. Can you say hey? Look up here. Look way up there. Look up here. Wait. Do. Look up here. Look up here. Can you see? Can you see? Nolan, look. Look at Mama. Okay, Nolan says listen. It's too much of a big looking spider. I ain't got time. So get your cup, your tea, vodka, NyQuil, juicy juice, whatever you drink, honey. It is literally 6:45 in the morning. Yes, 6:45. So get your drinks, your fuzzies, your warms. I'm going to light some candles. I have a Christmas music, a Christmas movie playing in the background. I'm going to, look, deflowerize my house. 2 pumpkins. That's it. Everything else, I'm going to go ahead and drag everything out. Check my inventory first and foremost because I need to make sure I can put that stuff everywhere. So let's do that first and then you can watch me decorate the tree. My thought process is that the tree will go in that far corner over there. So I'm going to make some arrangements over here so that it can accommodate the tree. And then from there, sis, we about to put up a tree and some decorations. We about to put up a tree and some decorations. Ooh. If you're excited, let me know. If you're not, let me know that too. And until then, stay tuned. Okay, so let me show you what my inventory is so far. This way it'll let me know if I need more, I don't have enough, or whatever the case is. So, and I'm putting everything back that was on the tree from last year. So I have these pom-pom, like ornament things, these little beads, and then of course I have picks, different kinds of picks to go into, these are more of those bead things. And then I have poinsettias that you just stick onto the back, silver blingy like I love. And then I don't know why I only have 2 of these. Look how cute that is. I only have 2. Go over there with him. Thank you. And then I have these blinged out butterflies that you just clip onto the tree. Good fillers. These roses these have clips on them, so I'm gonna have to find like that one. I don't know if I glued those on there or what, but anyway. Then I just have some like specialty ornaments in the rose gold, the beautiful wings that I think these were from the Dollar Tree. I can't remember. I have this wreath, the more rose gold wreath, and then I have the silver one that came out in that Big Lots collection. I have a gazillion reindeer here. And then, okay, so these picks, I'm trying to organize like section so that I will know exactly what I have, you know. So when I go to start grabbing, and then I have these feathers that are also picks. And like I say, the reindeer has had a little falling down situation over here. But all of these, I believe, with the exception of just a few, came from that Big Lots Winter Wonderland collection that they had. I'm not sure where Pig Boys came from. Probably like, I don't know, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, the wiry ones here. And then I know those came from J.C. Penney, those that lay down. Here's my skirt, my silvery shimmery skirt. And then I have some garland. I have bulbs that never even got open. I also have white poinsettias here too. And then that bag is just legit filled with all kinds of specialty ornaments, as well as like these little booties. How cute is that? That is so Miss Pearl addition to the tree this year, even though I had them last year. This is so Miss Pearl. But I have these. We can say that these are for our little sweet Noble, his little trees. I have this little reindeer, and I do believe, you guys, all of this type of stuff came from Big Lots last year in that rose gold collection that they had. So all of these specialty, I have black because I wanted to incorporate some black in there. There's another butterfly. He belongs over there. So no telling what all I'm gonna find in this bag. Here, look at him. So cute. Look at that. Is that not just, oh, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and separate my ornaments as well. I'll do that off camera. And then we can come back together and actually decorate the tree. I'm not really concerned about the fact that for some reason the middle lights aren't working. As you can see, the bottom ones are. The top ones are, but by the time I fill this in, I don't think it'll even matter. And if it does matter too much, I can just run out and grab some lights, if nothing, to just stuff them in there to light up the middle, okay? So that's no big deal as for the decoration of the tree. Now, in case you're wondering and you're new here and you did not see this tree last year, this is a 7.5-foot tree. It came from the at-home store, and I paid $250 for it. Little man, I know you want to talk to. Okay, wait a minute. I'll give you a chance. And it has the faux snow on it. This is the best flock tree I've ever seen, and I don't know if you were watching when I was putting it together that it self leveled out. So I have to do very little closing in gaps like this one or whatever. It pretty much just landed just kind of how it was supposed to in this shape. No smushing together, any of that. Alright, so let me get started with separating the ornaments. Oh, I have a mess going on here. But by the time I'm done, let's see what all else we will need to complete my tree and decor. Okay, you guys, so that is going to conclude this series or this part of our Decorate the Tree with Us. I am completely done. It has been hours after I first recorded the video. So you guys will see the rest of how I decorate. So you guys will see how I decorate the rest of my apartment on a small scale, using Christmas decor. Actually, when I was going through my things, I really didn't have a whole lot. Why? Because I gave a whole lot away, which is totally fine. So let me get grandbaby, and I will catch you guys in the next video. You want to make sure you are subscribed, have your notification bell on, just in case it works, so that you won't miss any of my Christmas series videos that I will have coming up really, really soon. So enjoy the tree and all its fabulousness, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.